Welcome back to What Rights. This is segment 28. Come back to the North Fraser Pretrial Center in Port Coquitlam, and I was really tired. I haven't slept very much. It was exhausting since I've been in jail. I just couldn't wait to get back to, get to sleep. I was getting all ready for the night, and all of a sudden Fontaine was there. He was hollering at the jail guard. She smashes the payphone, all the pieces there. He throws razor blades all over the floor, and then he smashes the sprinkler system. He was trying to entice the jail guards to come in, and I guess he was hoping maybe they'd slip and fall on the floor and cut themselves up. However, June the 3rd finally comes along. June the 1st, by the way, Michael Mines didn't show up for that court appearance. His secretary asked me to ask the judge to hold over for 2 days, and the judge did, and he's held over until June the 3rd. So I'm back in the courtroom on June the 3rd. Michael Myers comes in. He says it's going to take about an hour for the case. I said, I want a jury trial. He says to the judge, Your Honor, is this an indictable offense? And the judge says, no, it's not indictable. And he says, no, you can't have a jury trial. To me, Michael Myers had said. Anyway, he sets the court date for June the 22nd. This was what the court date was going to be. I get back to Port Coquitlam Jail. Not really impressed by Michael Mines and what he's doing and how he's representing me. And I asked the jail guard for a pen and paper. He gives me a pen and paper. I write out a request that I want and ask if they have a law library. I call the jail guard back over. I give him the note that I wrote out, and he looks at the handwriting and he smiles and he looks at me. He's really surprised, I think, at my handwriting and the clarity, considering the floppy pins that they use in jail. So what happens is the next day another jail guard comes to me. He says, Dr. Worth wants to talk to you. I said, well, I don't want to talk to him. He said, it'll be worth your while to talk to Dr. Worth. So I went in, I talked to Dr. Worth. We talked for about 5 minutes, and they finally let me out of segregation, or what is known as the hole, and they put me into what is considered a regular unit, where they had a television, where I could listen to the radio, and was let out of the cell 2 or 3 times a day, also for meals. So we'll stay tuned for What Rights, and we're going to get into segment 30, and we're going to talk about what I did next.